Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club, and stocks ended the week and the month of April with a thud on Friday as traders took profits amid a flurry of better than expected earnings results from the biggest names in the market. And as we usually do on a Friday, we'll take a look at a weekly chart of the S&P 500. Was able to eke out a very small gain. Most people consider it ending the week flat, gaining 1 point on the week, trading at 4,181.17. Keeping the chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for the S&P 500. Key level to watch would be 4,114.82. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. But even though this week didn't pan out for many, it's not all for naught as you take a look at a monthly chart of the S&P 500, and it was able to gain 5.24% for the month. So even though we had a weak end at the end of the month, overall it was a strong month for the S&P 500. Move along to the dollar index, currently trading at 90.62, down about 0.2% on the week, with a chart analysis score negative 60, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the US dollar. Marks 4 straight down weeks for the index. Key level to watch would be 92.33. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. Dow Jones finished the week down about 0.5% at 33,874.85, with a chart analysis score plus 85, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term uptrend for the Dow Jones. Key level to watch would be 33,545.84. Move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow. And if we take a look at the monthly chart for the Dow Jones, you can see that it was up 2.7% for the month of April. We'll take a look at the NASDAQ, and we'll just flip over to that monthly chart real quick, and you'll see that it was up 5.4% for the month of April. We'll change this back to a weekly chart. Currently lost almost 0.4% on the week, trading at 13,962.68, with a chart analysis score plus 85, indicating that overall we're still in that long-term uptrend. Key level to watch would be 13,698.67. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the NASDAQ. Down on the week, trading about 0.4% lower at 1,768.80, with a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that we're in a true sidelines position for gold. Key level to watch would be 1,789.90. A move above that level would give us a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term long position for gold. Take a look at crude oil, bouncing back after a weekly loss last week, up 2.3% for the week, trading at 63.48, with a chart analysis score of plus 90, with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that we're in a long-term uptrend for crude oil. Key level to watch would be 63.08. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. We'll wrap it up as we usually do with Bitcoin. Bouncing back this week. Today's up about 5%. After losing 14.5% last week, it bounced back, gaining almost 13% this week, trading at 56,840.49, with a chart analysis score plus 75. So overall, we're still in a sidelines position based on that red weekly trade triangle last week, but it is gaining strength and momentum back to the upside. Key level to watch would be 64,895.22. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for Bitcoin. With that, every success, have a great weekend, and we'll be back next week with a market update.